Hey, what's up, YouTube family? This is going to be part 2 of the stock tank pull I promised I was going to do. Don't pay attention to the center of it. It's pretty dirty. So yeah, this has worked out great. We have absolutely loved this pull liner in here. I saw a couple of comments about not putting chlorine so it wouldn't eat away at the galvanized stock tank, but we're on county water and it's got chlorine in it anyway, so eventually it's going to eat away at it and it's going to rust. So couple things I did. I also had a question about why I put water in it before I actually cut the holes for the inlet and the outlet. The reason for that, it kind of helped push the liner up against the wall towards the bottom, which actually made it pretty easy to maneuver around. But kind of went a little overboard with the silicone, which it's not bad in my opinion. So you can see here on the outlet, I actually have silicone in between the liner on the inside and the tank. And then on the outside, what I did is I cut like just a cross in the liner right at the hole and folded over the tabs. You can kind of see where there's some sticking out still in the corners. And then I silicone between there and here, which it's worked out great, perfectly fine. So no issues there. Same thing over here as well. Right now I don't have it running, but same thing. I did the silicone in between the liner and the stock tank, and then silicone. And then of course those came with the rubber gasket, which has silicone on both sides of it as well. So I had a little bit of an issue with leaking here. Thought it was coming from the bottom of this. It actually was not. It was coming from this valve. So instead of actually purchasing this valve, let's see if I can do it without it squirting water everywhere. You can hear it. When the water's not running, it was filling up and it was coming out. So I actually just filled the inside of this, let it focus, with silicone. Just to stop it from leaking, because I never use that valve anyway. And that seems to work fairly well to stop that from leaking. So all in all, it's been great. These straps work pretty good. I was hesitant of cutting that up any higher, just because I didn't want it to pull out of the straps. We just kind of fold this up. It doesn't look great, but it works. Kids love it. Pull liner's holding up very well. We're super happy with it. So if you got any questions, put in the comments. I'll try to answer it. All in all, we're fairly pleased with it. Thanks, y'all.